Hello and welcome to this body scan meditation. Find a spot in front of you to focus on. Just let your mind naturally find a spot and do not look away. And begin to slowly blink your eyes. When you open your eyes, you look at that spot. And with each number I say, just blink your eyes once. 10, blink. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Allow your eyes to gently close, and when you do, you feel a wave of relaxation sweep over you. Now I'd like for you to put all of your focus on the sensations at the top of your head. Just notice how the very top of your head feels. Let your focus move down to your eyes. Just notice how your eyes feel and ask them to relax. Any small eye movements you may notice allow for you to feel even more calm. Notice how the back of your head feels against the surface that it is touching. How heavy does your head feel right now? Let your focus move to your nose, feeling the slight sensations of the air moving in and out with your breath. And when you breathe in, imagine that you're being filled with a natural medicinal phenomenon. And when you breathe out, imagine your body feels light and deeply relaxed. Very good. Breathe in the medicine of oxygen. And breathe out feeling light and deeply relaxed. Now focus on your ears. Notice how they feel. And what are they hearing around you? Try to hear every single noise. When the sounds come into your ears, they act as little waves of relaxation, taking you even deeper. Notice the louder sounds now, like the sound of my voice, and how soothing it is. From here forward, my voice guides you, and all other sounds passing through only take you deeper into a state of relaxation. Hear the tiny sounds now, perhaps the ones you didn't notice before, and allow them to relax you. Now bring your focus to your mouth. How does it feel? And what do you notice? Perhaps you can imagine biting into a fresh apple or your favorite fruit and see how your mouth waters. Very good. And move your focus down now to your neck and shoulders. If there is any tension along the way, ask it to release. Move your attention slowly going down each arm, down all the way to each fingertip. What are your fingertips touching? And feel the sensations on your fingertips. Nice. Allow your focus to go to your chest, relaxing this area, as well as your upper back. And if you notice any tension, just ask it to nicely release. And now focus on your lungs and feel them gently expanding and contracting with your breath, delivering oxygen to your body. Allow your focus to move through your vital organs and digestive system. Notice your belly and observe it, how it's digesting effortlessly for you. Now noticing your lower back and how it presses against the surface you are on. And if you feel any tension, just say, "Please relax." Focus now on your pelvis and hips, and notice any sensations you are having there. Noticing this takes you deeper into a state of relaxation, which heals you. Allowing your focus to move down each leg now, relaxing your legs as well. Your legs have been taking you so many places over the years, and they deserve to fully relax. This wonderful wave of relaxation moves over your knees, easing them. And down your lower legs, all the way to your feet, and to the very tip of each toe. Good, you're doing so well. Great, now we're going to go back up the body just the same way we came, but this time I want you to imagine you're slowly pulling in your favorite color. This color is a deeply healing substance. Okay, imagine your favorite color is coming in through your toes. It's relaxing you as it goes up your feet, over your legs, and into your pelvis and hips. This healing, beautiful color is filling up your digestive system and belly. It's so relaxing. It fills your vital organs and continues up into your lungs, making you feel healed. This beneficial color is profoundly healing you. That's why it's so quick. It glows as it fills your whole heart. And you notice how happy you become by doing this. This color has an intelligence to it, and it travels across your shoulders and down each arm, all the way to your fingertips. This invigorating color is moving up your neck now, mending you as it goes. It blankets your nose, mouth, ears, eyes. This color surrounds your ears and fills up your hearing. It instantly fills every tiny space in your brain, encompassing your mind and healing it as well. It moves all the way up to the very top of your head where we began, enveloping you in a healing and relaxing experience. Good. Notice how completely relaxed your entire body feels right now. Good. You became aware of every part of your body, putting you completely in the present moment. Being in the present moment allows for you to be present in your life. Whenever you are ready, come back to the present moment, bringing back this relaxation and love. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes and stretch your body, ready to take on the day.